Uh, all of you are familiar that last time we saw some basic terms in MS Excel, that how to open the worksheet or how to go to in Excel also. Are you on your laptop or on your desktop?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you are, then you just open the Excel and you can do with me. And you can write some important points also in your notebook. Because all these shortcuts, formulas, you will not find out here and there, okay? जिसको एक्सपीरियंस है वही ये शॉर्टकट और फॉर्मूलाज आपको बता सकते हैं. So you have to write down these formulas or some shortcut keys. Okay, so keep one notebook with you as well as on your Excel. Open your Excel, okay, and do with me. If you have problem, you can ask me. This is not working, or how to write this formula, or how this function will work. Like such question you can ask me. Okay. So last time we saw some record, student record. I just shared the worksheet with you. Wait. Okay, can you view my sheets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So last time we saw this, how to insert all these records. Okay, we calculate the maximum total marks of subject, then maximum, minimum, count, average, all these we calculated. Okay, so how to write the formula? I told you that how to calculate the total. There is a formula here, auto sum is there. You can directly click here, or you can write down with your keyboard also. Okay, equal to is necessary for all type of functions or formulas. Without equal to, your function will not work. Okay, so equal to sum. What is formula? Where you can see the formula of this total? See here is a formula bar. This is called as a formula bar. आप जब भी किसी सेल में फॉर्मूला लिखते हो, that formula will display in the formula bar here. Suppose I just go and click on this cell total. Okay, so what happened here? I can see the formulas equal to sum C6 colon E6, like such. Suppose max equal to max C6 colon E6. So from C6 to E6 it will calculate the max, like such. Okay, minimum, count, average. These are inbuilt functions in Excel. This sum, average. आपने calculate किया क्या? ये नहीं, ये inbuilt function है. These are inbuilt function. We are using all these functions. Okay, so last time we were in the conditional formatting, correct? We saw some of the conditional formatting last time. I'll repeat it. Suppose I'll select these three subject, marks of these three subject. I'll click on conditional formatting. Okay, there is a highlight cell rules. Correct? Are you doing with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so highlight cell में क्या है? Greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contain a date occurring, duplicate values, like such. Okay, suppose I want to highlight the marks greater than 70, then I will click here greater than, then I will put here 70. Okay, and light red with dark red text. Okay, color कौन सा ले? You can choose any color from here also. Okay, suppose I will choose a green color because marks are above 70. Okay, then it will highlight it. Okay, suppose I want those students who are fail in subject with the less color or red color, then I will go into highlight less than. Which less than? Suppose 35. So those who are in less than 35, highlight with the red color. Okay, next between, you can give the values between also, between suppose 30 to 35, or between 70 to 75, colored with different color. Okay, then equal to is सेम, जो इक्वल टू वैल्यू उसको वो हाईलाइट करेगा. नेक्स्ट इज टेक्स्ट दैट कंटेन. सपोज टेक्स्ट कौन सा है, हियर इट इज नॉट टेक्स्ट. सपोज आई विल क्लिक ऑन द नेम्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. ओके, I just select the names of the student. Again, go into the conditional formatting, highlight rules and text that contain what? Text that contain A. Then it will highlight with the red color. Suppose I will click here D, then it will show the D in red color. Okay, are you seeing this? So whatever the name you want to highlight, suppose I want to highlight the specific student name who is a very clever student in the class, and I want to find out that where that student is there. I just put the name of the student, highlight it, so I will get it easily. Got it? So text that content means you can find out the text. Suppose I want to find out that those students are fail, just mark them red. Fail text जो है उसको red करो. I will go in conditional formatting, highlight and text that contain fail. So it will highlight the fail one only. Okay. So these are the conditional formatting highlight rules. Okay. The next conditional formatting which is important, that is data bars. Many times we use these data bars also. So what is the use of data bar? We'll see it. See, suppose I'll select it. I'll go in conditional formatting, then data bars. So what happened? See, it will give you a data bar. Bars means chart. It will give you a information in bar format. आपको दिख रहा है सभी को? चार्ट आ रहा है bar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, student, can you view this? Yes. Okay. Suppose I will change here value. I will change her value 80. Then bar is also automatically get changed. Correct? So this bar gives us a values in image format or in date bar format. अगर आपको किसी को presentation देना है, that time numbers by seeing the numbers are difficult. So using these bars, you can give your information very easily. Okay, as soon as I change the value, suppose I will change value here 20, then bar get reduced. Okay, so these are the data bars. Next, color scale. You can use a color scale also. See, suppose I will use this color scale. What happened? Specific range में अलग color दिखा रहा है. Suppose 30 to 40 the color is blue. 40 to 50 color is gray. 50 to 60 color is orange, like such. Okay, so these are the color scale. Next is icon scale. This is very much important in the presentation. Those who are in HR or who are in finance, they require to represent data in icon sets. Bars are there or icon sets are there. Suppose I will select this, it will give you the information in the arrow format. What this red suggests? Red suggests downward arrow means the values are less. Green with upward arrow means values are in greater. Values are better. And this horizontal arrow with yellow color shows you the values are in middle range. Okay. So this is very much helpful for presentation. There are many different icons. You can use any. Many times these bars are used to represent the data. See, these bars like our network. मोबाइल के लिए जो नेटवर्क होता है ना, उसका बार ऐसे ही दिखाते हैं. करेक्ट? So how much network is there, you can understand it. और many times बैटरी, जो मोबाइल की सेलफोन की बैटरी है, वो हम इसी से दिखाते हैं. कितनी बैटरी रहेगी ये. Okay, like such. So these bars are very important. Suppose you don't want the values in this bar, you can disable these values also. How to disable the values? See, there is a one method. You just select the data. Okay, आपको अभी values नहीं चाहिए, only data bars चाहिए. So what to do? Go into the number. Here number tab is there, correct? In home there is a number tab. Click on the number tab. Wait. Okay, one window will open. Okay, in that you have to click on custom, and in type you just write a colon. What? Listen, we go into the number tab, window will open. In that you click on custom. In custom, under type you write down a colon and say okay. Right, colon. So only bars are there, colon is also there, and only bars are there. Okay, so while giving the presentation, no need to give the values. You can show your presentation with the bars. Okay, so there are many things in the conditional formatting जो आपको जरूरी है उतनी मैंने बताई, आप अपने आप से बाकी सीख सकते. Okay, so I just undo this conditional formatting. We'll see the next thing. Now the next thing is how to insert a row or delete a row, and how to insert a column and delete a column in Excel. Okay, suppose this is a blank worksheet. I just show you in the blank worksheet. So how to insert? Suppose my data is here. I want to insert one row above this row. Okay, I want to insert one row above this row. So how to insert? There are two ways. Just select with the right click of the mouse this row and click on insert. So what happened? On the upper side of the row, one row is get inserted. Okay, got it? And if you want to insert a column, just select the column. Suppose column B I selected, right click with the mouse and say insert a column. Okay, so one column get inserted. Suppose I want one column here, I just click on the insert button. There is one shortcut key also to insert a row and column. Which is this key? You have to press insert to insert a row on the left. Sorry, to insert a row on the upside, you have to click a control and plus. First select the row, okay, and click control and plus button. One row get inserted. Which button you have to? Control and plus button. Okay, for what? To insert row to insert row above the present row. Okay, just try it, student. Select the row and press Ctrl and plus button. One row get inserted. This is a shortcut key. Whenever you are typing a data in fast speed, then you don't have time to click with the mouse also. At that time, you use these shortcut keys. So Ctrl and plus. If you don't want this row, then what you will do? Press Ctrl and minus symbol. Row will get deleted. Whatever the row you don't want, just press Ctrl and minus symbol. Okay. For what? To delete row. Same thing is for the column. Select the column. Whatever the column you don't want, select it. Suppose this column you don't want, select it, Ctrl and minus. It will get deleted. Okay. Again you want Ctrl and plus. One column will get inserted. Okay. So these are the shortcut key. Ctrl plus for insert row or column. Column will get inserted on the left hand side. Okay. And Ctrl minus for deleting row or column. Now suppose you want to insert a 3 column on the left of the A column. अभी जो A column है उसके left में आपको 3 columns insert करनी. So what you will do? You will select the 3 columns and press Ctrl and plus. What happened? 3 column get inserted on the left hand side. करेक्ट. जितने भी आपको इंसर्ट करने उतने सेलेक्ट करो. सपोज आई वांट टू इंसर्ट अ 4 कॉलम ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द डी कॉलम, देन आई विल सेलेक्ट द 4 कॉलम एंड प्रेस कंट्रोल प्लस. ओके, गॉट इट. Same thing is for the row. Suppose I want to insert a 3 row below this 6 number row. I will select this 3 row and press Ctrl and plus. 3 rows will get inserted. Okay, so remember these shortcut keys. The next thing we will see, that is bordering. See, अभी इसको border है क्या? जो भी डेटा हमने बनाया है इसको अभी borders नहीं है. अभी हमें सेल यहाँ लाइंस दिख रही है, but these are not the lines, these are not the borders. ये तो एक्सेल की लाइंस है. हमें लिखने के लिए एक्सेल ने लाइंस दिए. दैट लाइंस आर देयर, रोज एंड कॉलम्स. व्हेन यू विल सी द प्रिंट प्रीव्यू ऑफ दिस, then you will see that there are no lines in the data. See, are there lines? No, only empty data is there. So we want to border this data. Okay, so how to border it? Just select the data, then here border is there. Under home tab there is a table, borders are there. Borders, there are number of types of border. Okay, you can select any type of border. I want all borders, so I click on all borders. So for all data, borders will come. Now look at the print preview. See what happened. You can see a data with borders. Okay, so borders are important. Again, there are different styles also. Cell styles are there. You can use any type of style from these. Suppose I want this color, anything. Okay, so Excel has provided inbuilt styles also. Whatever the styles you want, you can select it. Heading आपको कैसा चाहिए वैसा आप select कर सकते. Okay, so हर बार खुद जाके फॉर्मेटिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It is provided into Excel. Okay, Next thing which is very very important in the Excel, that is table. So giving a table to your data or inserting a table in your data. Okay, so how you can format a table? There are again two methods to give a table. First, select the data. Okay, then there is a insert tab and there is a table. You can go from here also, or under home tab also there is a format table. Already we have table here. We want to format a table. We don't want to insert table right now. We want to format a table. Whatever we have, we will format that only. So we'll go into the home tab. Okay, and there is a format table. Okay, wait 1 second. Select it. And format table is there. So there are number of formats of table. Whatever you want, you can choose. Okay. Suppose I'll choose this type. It will give you your data into tabular format. So what is the difference between previous data and this data? Yes, for this data is converted into table, and the main characteristic of table is there are filter provided with the header. Header means these names, serial number, name of student, subject 1, subject 2, all these are the headers, and for headers they provide a filter. See, टेबल की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है? टेबल प्रोवाइड अ फिल्टर टू एवरी कॉलम. फॉर ईच एंड एवरी कॉलम देयर इज अ फिल्टर. स्टूडेंट, आर यू डूइंग विथ मी?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
टेबल आ गया सबका? टेबल समझ में आया? फॉर्मेट कैसे करना है?
यस मैम.
अगर पहले से अपना डेटा ये रेडी था इसलिए हम फॉर्मेट टेबल में गए. इफ डेटा इज नॉट रेडी, यू कैन गो इन इंसर्ट एंड इंसर्ट अ टेबल. Okay, same thing is here. That will empty table will come. Okay, now we will see how to apply a filter in this table. अभी टेबल का बेनिफिट क्या है? why we need a table? टेबल में बात ये होती है कि whatever the data we will insert after this record. Suppose there are 5 records here. If I will put a 6th record, it will automatically calculate all those things. Okay, suppose I will delete this formula from here. Okay, and now again I will do the auto sum. Now this, see what is difference between previous formula and this formula. This formula is going to apply for the table. So whatever in next time I will insert into the table, the formula will automatically apply. That's why I delete the previous formula and put the new formula. How to put a new formula? Are you getting this? स्टूडेंट समझ में आ रहा है? मैंने क्या किया? डिलीट किया ये. Again I go into the auto sum. I just click on the auto sum. The formula, what is formula? Equal to sum bracket table 1, then square bracket is there. Okay, this row to this row means how much? From subject 1 to subject 3. C6 to E6. You have to do the sum. Correct? And press enter. Summation तो वही आएगी, but what happened here? What happened? I'll again repeat it. Now suppose there is a no total here. Total अभी नहीं है यहाँ. Okay, suppose ये भी नहीं, हम सब कैलकुलेट करेंगे फिर से. Now, how you will calculate the total? Just click on the cell and go into auto sum. What happened? Do with me, students. डिफरेंस आपको समझ में आया टेबल का? Are you getting? These sum automatically came here. No need to drag. Again, we'll see in max. Suppose we want to calculate the max, then we will go into auto sum. Click on the max. कहां से कहां तक मैक्स चाहिए आपको? सिर्फ इन तीनों का मैक्स चाहिए. So select these 3 subject only and press enter. As soon as you press the enter, automatically for the remaining records maximum value will come. ड्रैग किया क्या हमने कोई भी फॉर्मूला? नो. हैव यू डन स्टूडेंट?
Ma'am, can you show it once?
ओके, मिनिमम के लिए देखते हैं. अभी यहाँ फॉर्मूला है क्या कोई भी? नहीं. ओके, नाउ आई विल गो इन ऑटो सम. आई विल क्लिक ऑन मिनिमम. फॉर्मूला आ गया, बट फॉर्मूला किसके लिए आया? एक्सेल को ये समझ में नहीं आता है कौन सा डेटा लेना है. उसने क्या किया, लेफ्ट साइड को जो भी कॉलम से सब ले लिए. हमें सारे कॉलम में से मिनिमम निकालना है क्या? नहीं. We want a minimum from 3 subjects only, subject 1, 2 and 3. So I will select only these 3 subjects. Okay, now I just press the enter key from the keyboard. Enter. What happened? मैंने फॉर्मूला सिर्फ एक के लिए लगाया यहाँ और बाकी के वैल्यू ऑटोमेटिक आ गई. प्रीवियसली हमने क्या किया था, हम एक के लिए फॉर्मूला लगा रहे थे और बाकी के लिए ड्रैग कर रहे थे फॉर्मूला. करेक्ट? अभी ड्रैग किया क्या? नहीं. दिस इज अ बेनिफिट ऑफ टेबल. अभी आपके 1000 ऑफ रिकॉर्ड है अगर नीचे, तो आप एक के लिए फॉर्मूला लगाए, नीचे के 1000 ऑफ रिकॉर्ड के लिए ऑटोमेटिक वैल्यूज आ रही है. गॉट इट? स्टूडेंट, आर यू गेटिंग?
यस मैम.
किया क्या आपने? प्रैक्टिकली करके देखा क्या? यस
मैम.
आ रहा है क्या आपका?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी जैसे एवरेज है, नाउ आई विल कैलकुलेट द एवरेज. ओके, हियर इज अ फॉर्मूला इन ऑटो सम. एवरेज किसकी एवरेज ले रहा है? ये सभी वैल्यूज की एवरेज ले रहा है. सारे कॉलम जो भी लेफ्ट में है उसके नंबर्स के सब. हमें सबकी एवरेज चाहिए क्या? नहीं. वी वांट एवरेज फॉर सब्जेक्ट 1, 2 and 3 only. So with the help of mouse I select these 3 only. Okay, and I just press the enter key. What happened? एक के लिए मैंने कैलकुलेट किया, रिमेनिंग के लिए ऑटोमेटिक आ रही है मेरी एवरेज. समझ में आ रहा है? Suppose here I will insert a 6 number record. Okay, this is C, D, E and F. Okay, 6 number record F. I will enter the marks here. See what happened? उसकी जो टोटल मैक्स मीन एवरेज सब ऑटोमेटिक आ रही है. आर यू गेटिंग? जो पहले हम सिंपल जो रिकॉर्ड था हमारा उसमें जो कर रहे थे उसमें ऑटोमेटिक टोटल मैक्स मीन नहीं आ रही थी. वी हैव टू ड्रैग द फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट. नाउ व्हाटएवर आई विल इंसर्ट हियर अगेन 7th record, then I just enter the marks here. The total or minimum maximum automatically coming. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
जो भी हमारा सेल्स का रिकॉर्ड होता है या फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड होते हैं या फिर एम्प्लॉइज का रिकॉर्ड होता है, सम कैलकुलेशन रिलेटेड टू सैलरीज आर देयर. So these things you can do very easily and very fast. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Next we will see sorting of the data. So how you will sort the data? suppose I will put here some names. अभी ABCD हमने शॉर्टकट में लिखे थे. I'll put here names. Suppose Ajay, then Vihan, then Parnavi, then Rohit, then Sunil, then Danny, then Parag, then Ravi. Okay. Now, suppose I want that my data gets sorted, either ascending, descending, name wise or marks wise, whatever. Suppose I want to assign the data according to their average. जिसकी भी average highest है वो ऊपर आना चाहिए और जिसकी lowest है वो नीचे जाना चाहिए. So how to sort? I will just go on the column. Okay, I'll select the column. I'll select the column. Then in data, there is a sort function. Wait. I will select the values, average, and there is a sort filter is there. So how to sort? I want to sort highest record at the first and lowest on the down. So I want to sort from Z to A. Correct? So I just click on it. It will automatically sort the data. तो क्या हुआ? एवरेज जिसकी हाईएस्ट थी वो ऊपर आ गया टॉप पे. देन 70, 63, 62 लाइक सच. लोएस्ट वाला नीचे गया. ओके. सपोज आई वांट टू सॉर्ट दैट लोएस्ट फर्स्ट चाहिए और हाईएस्ट नीचे. सो आई विल क्लिक ऑन A to Z. इट विल कम. ओके. और इसके साथ ये भी चेंज हो रहा है. आपने देखा क्या? जो नेम्स है वो भी ऊपर नीचे हो रहे. पूरा डेटा उसके साथ एक्सपांड हो रहा है. सो किसी किसी कंप्यूटर पे आपको पूछेगा भी मैसेज कि यू वांट टू एक्सपांड द डेटा, यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन यस. Why? Because if you will do these values up and down, with these all records should be up and down. That's why expand the selection. Click on expand the selection. Okay. Next, suppose I want to sort a data according to alphabetically. Name alphabetically I want that from A to Z, suppose. So I will select the names and click on A to Z. So what happened? It will come according to the alphabetical order. Ajay, Danny, Parag, Ravi, Rohit, Sunil, Vihan, like such. Okay. Suppose I want from Z to A, you will click on Z to A. So last name will come first. Vihan, Sunil, Rohit, Ravi, Parag, Danny and Ajay. Like such. Okay, got it? So this is a sort. Very simple. Just what that predefined function is there. You have to only click on that sort. Okay. स्टूडेंट कर रहे हैं क्या आप मेरे साथ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do it. Try it. ओके, शायद हुआ होगा आपका. Now next sorting method we will see here. I'll do undo. This is our original record. Okay. Now see here, on every header जो name दी अपने serial number, name of student, subject one, हर एक के लिए एक filter लगा है. See this filter. Just click on this triangle. They also have given you the filter. Sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smallest, sort by color, like such. Okay. Are you getting, student?
Yes, ma'am.
या सो ये जो फिल्टर दे इसका यूज क्या है. सपोज फॉर नेम ऑफ स्टूडेंट आई विल क्लिक ऑन दिस ट्रायंगल एंड हियर टेक्स्ट फिल्टर इज देयर. So in this text filter, suppose I want to see the record of only 2 students, that Ajay and Parag. I don't want to see the other student record. So what I will do, I will click on this select all पे आपको क्लिक करना है. सब जो भी select थे सब deselect हो गए. Now choose whatever you want to see. I will click on Ajay and Parag only. And I click on OK. What happened? I will view the record of 2 persons only. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Many times we require this because in company there are thousands of employees. अभी सबका रिकॉर्ड अगर आप व्यू कर रहे हैं तो आपको इजी नहीं जाता. यू वांट ओनली वन रिकॉर्ड. एट दैट टाइम यू कैन यूज दिस फिल्टर. करेक्ट. So same thing is with the numbers also. Suppose I want to see the marks, those who have a marks of 72 only. I will deselect it and I just click on the 72. Okay. What happened? जिसको 72 मार्क्स है सब्जेक्ट के लिए, इस कॉलम में हम कॉलम के लिए फिल्टर यूज कर रहे हैं. रिमेम्बर दिस. सो जिस सब्जेक्ट में 72 मार्क्स है, सब्जेक्ट 1 में जिसको सुनील को है, सब्जेक्ट 1 इज सपोज माय सब्जेक्ट. आई एम टेकिंग अ एक्सेल. ओके, एक्सेल के लिए 72 मार्क्स किसको है मुझे देखने थे. सो आई जस्ट यूज द फिल्टर फ्रॉम हियर दैट I just deselect all these and only click on the 72. Okay. Here is one option here. Clear filter from subject 1. I will clear it. जो पहले वाला record था वो आ जाएगा. So for everything you can clear the filter also. So how to clear the filter? Just click on the triangle and click on the clear filter. Got it? स्टूडेंट ज्यादा फास्ट हो रहा है क्या?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
समझ में आ रहा है? आप कर रहे हैं ना मेरे साथ. जब
Yes,
तक
ma'am.
आप करेंगे नहीं आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. You have to do it practically. So sort filter समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is one advanced sort is also there, that is called as a custom sort. So custom sort we can apply for the multiple columns, multiple records. जैसे कि आपको 2 columns sort करनी. अभी हम जो देख रहे हैं at a time we can sort a one only column, either name, either subject 1 or subject 2, but I want to sort a 2 columns. Then what to do? We will create a different record here in sheet 2 suppose. Okay. See, here is suppose serial number. Here is a department. And here is location. ओके सी अभी सीरियल नंबर से मुझे 5 रिकॉर्ड्स देने सो व्हाट आई विल डू आई जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द वन आई जस्ट राइट द वन टाइप द वन प्रेस कंट्रोल की एंड ड्रैग इट ओके सपोज 6 रिकॉर्ड आई वांट कल मैंने परसों मैंने सिखाया था आपको ये सपोज डिपार्टमेंट now which department suppose departments are sale department and purchase department so sale department this is a purchase department again this is the sale department this is the purchase department this is sale department and this is purchase department okay and location is suppose Pune Nagpur Mumbai then Ahmednagar and Sangli okay again here is the Pune wait okay so why I create this data I want to show you a custom sort now here I want to sort the data according to department का data मुझे ascending order में चाहिए so what happened in ascending order sale department come first after that purchase department will come suppose I will put here a sort condition then what happened all sale department will come first and after that purchase department will come because ascending order I have given you sorry descending order so first S will come afterward no so sale department will come first and then purchase department in descending order okay and after this sale department this sort I want to sort the location also so after sorting the department I want to sort the location so department के अंदर जो भी location आ रहे वो भी alphabetically sort होने चाहिए and that I want in the ascending order so what to do see I will select the column I want to filter this okay then I will go into the sort filter your filter is there sort filter I will click here wait okay student I will select the record that both of these record I selected मुझे दोनों ही सॉर्ट कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि डिपार्टमेंट एंड लोकेशन. ओके, सो इन दैट देयर इज अ कस्टम sort. Wait. What I want to first sell, okay, from Z to A, I want. Okay, then I will again click on the add level, then buy. What I want to sort now? I want to sort a location. Wait. Something get wrong. Yes. See here, students. Some function was not working on my laptop. See what happened. You just select the record. जो आपको sort करना है. Click on the sort. Okay. This window will come. This is called a custom window. In that you have to write down in this column sort by. So which column you want to sort first? Column B, because under column B department is there. So you select the column B. Okay, कैसे sort करना है? You want it from Z to A, means you want in descending order. So sale department will come first, after that purchase department. Okay, then click on the add level. Now you want to again sort a location also. So click on add level. This will come. Then buy. Then by आपको कौन सा sort करना है? You want to sort a column C. So you select the column C. How you want it? A to Z in ascending order. Location आपको कैसे चाहिए? In ascending order. Okay, and click on OK. So what happened? See, department comes, sell, then purchase. तो सेल में जो भी लोकेशंस थे सेल डिपार्टमेंट में, वो कैसे सॉर्ट हो गए? अकॉर्डिंग टू असेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर अल्फाबेट. सो मुंबई इज फर्स्ट, आफ्टर MP is there, and after this S is there. Okay, again here also under purchase department, the location gets sorted according to the alphabetical order: Ahmednagar, Nagpur and Pune. So this is called a custom sort. Remember it, how to do it? Just select the record, click on the sort. In the data tab or in home tab also there is a sorting, correct? Or see here in home tab also there is a sort filter and there is a custom sort. You can use this also, or you can go from data and click on the sort. There is a two ways to do the custom sorting. First way is click on the home tab, then click on the sort and filter and custom sort. Okay, then window will open. Second way, click on the data tab. There is a sort function. Click on sort and you can add this. Okay. So two types of sort we have seen. First is simple sort and second one is a custom sort. Now in the next session we will see how to apply a formula. See here what happened in this result. We have typed this pass fail result. It has not come automatically or with the formula. We have typed. Now we want that it should come with the formula. पास किसको करना है? Those who are having marks in all subject above 35 and above, they are pass. If the marks of student in all subjects are less than 35, then student will get fail. We want to generate this type of result. Okay, so we will put a formula for that. Which are these formula we will see in the next lecture. I'm just telling you that which are these formula. These are 4 type of formula. First is only if, second one is a if and formula. Third one is a if or formula, and fourth one is a if formula. Okay, so we will use all these formula. We will type this formula here and we will calculate the result. So we will stop here, student. Whatever we have seen in this session, you have to do a practice for this. So practice for table and sort function. टेबल्स के जो भी ऑप्शंस है सारे आपको प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. So create a fine sheet or fine mark sheet for a 10 student. This is your homework. Prepare a fine mark sheet for 10 student for a 4 subject. Calculate a total, max, mean, average. Okay. Result we will see in the same record in the next session. So write down the proper student name there in this mark sheet. Okay. And practice on a table, sort, custom sort. So we'll stop here. Good night, student.
Thank you.